Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Rapido. If this is your first time seeing my video, you definitely know what to do. Go ahead and subscribe. When you subscribe, make sure you smash that notification bell so you don't miss any video, and make sure you share these videos to others. Okay. Alright, so in this video I'm going to share with you how you can fix or get a Meta AI on WhatsApp. Okay, WhatsApp is doing extremely well. It has added a new feature, which is the Meta AI. Okay, and you can use it to do so many things. All right, okay, so as you can see, I've been using the Meta AI. All right, I've been using it to generate images and stuff. Okay, so let me show you how you can get it on your WhatsApp. Okay, so first of all, make sure you are using the normal WhatsApp. Okay, if you are using an Android, just go to your Play Store. If you are using an Apple, just go to Apple Store and then make sure that WhatsApp is updated. Okay, make sure it's up to date. So let me check over here. WhatsApp. Okay, WhatsApp Messenger. All right, so as you can see, it is updated here. Okay, I've noticed something. Okay, when you open or when you search WhatsApp, okay, you will see open here, which means it has updated. But meanwhile, sometimes it hasn't been updated. Okay, so just click on WhatsApp Messenger like this. When you click on it, all right, so you can see showing updates over here. So just click on update and let's wait for it to update. All right, so the update is done. Okay, so once the update is done, just click on open. Okay, it will take you to WhatsApp. Okay, let me open my passcode. All right, so if this is your first time activating the AI, okay, just go to the search bar over here. Okay, you can see it has been inscripted over here, ask Meta AI or search. Okay, so just click on search and then you can search for anything. Let's say let me search for hide. All right, and then you see this icon over here, the green at the top right corner. Okay, where the search is. Okay, just beside it you can see a green search over there. Just click on it. All right, so when you click on it, it will send you to where the Meta AI, then your Meta AI will be activated. Okay, so it has been activated, and then you can use it to do whatever you want. You can also use it to generate images. Okay, it is very powerful. This tool is very powerful. I mean, WhatsApp is doing extremely well. All right, so let's use it to generate an image. Okay, so let's see generate an image of a man, okay, of a boy and his mother lost in the forest. Okay, 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 so let's wait. We wait, it will generate. Okay, boom. So as you can see, there is a mother and then a son lost in a forest. Okay, so you can use it to generate other things. So you can say it should generate another one, generate another one, generate another one. Oh shit. Okay, it's generating. You can see, yes, it has generated another one. Very beautiful. Okay, so those of you doing Amazon KDP and all that, you can use this one to generate all your images, okay, for your stories. And also you can use what generate how do you call it, logos. Okay, let's say generate, okay, generates a logo using the name Rapido with bold text. Okay, let's wait. Boom, it has generated it. Okay, very very beautiful. Okay, Rapido, as you can see there, Rapido. So you can use to do whatever you want. You can use to generate images, generate logos, create logos, everything. Even if you have zero knowledge about graphic designing, you can use this AI to do whatever you want. Okay, you can also ask that AI any question. Let's say who is who okay who is the president of America. Okay, America. Sorry, I wrote American, but all right. So the current president of the United States is Joe Biden. Okay, so it's giving you everything. Okay, so that is a very very simple step on how to activate AI on your WhatsApp. Okay, try this and let me know what you think under the comment section. If it works for you, let me know it works. If you are finding any challenges, let me know under the comment section. Make sure you subscribe, you notification bell, and share this video to others. Once again, my name is Rapido, and I'm out.